In front of me is Black Shark 5, and let me show you how to turn on Google Backup on this device. First of all, open the settings, then find and select About Phone, and now locate Backup and Restore. Here, go a bit lower, and if you wish to activate Google Backup, just go to Backup My Data and make sure that this indicator is active. Now, if you've been already logged into your Google account, it would be automatically applied, and if not, you have to create it. So let me just click on Backup Account, and now you have to provide email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your Google account. If you don't have Google account yet, just use this Create Account tab. But I will just log in with mine and tap on Next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, tap on Next. Click on Next again. Here, take a look at Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also Privacy Policy. And if you do agree with all the above, just tap on I agree. Now click on Accept. Turn on, and as you can see from now on, your backup is active. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.